Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I just want you to know that I have series of videos for grade 7, grade 8, and grade 9 math. So please don't forget to subscribe, share my videos, and like if you like it. So now we're going to learn about the metric system of measurement, particularly the measures of length, weight, and capacity. We're also going to convert one unit to another. So what is the metric system of measurement? It is a system of measurement that uses meter, liter, and gram as basis unit of measurement. Meter is the basic unit of length and represented by a small letter m. Liter is the basic unit of capacity or volume and represented by capital letter L. Some also use small letter l. And gram is the basic unit of mass or weight and represented by small letter g. Now, I have here a table for the different prefixes that connected with this. So, we have here, these are now the base unit. So, the base unit for length is meter. For volume or capacity is liter. Look at their abbreviation, small letter M, big letter L. Or you can use also small letter L. That's what I've seen others are using also. Then we have the gram. Now, to the left of the base unit is 1. To the left of the base unit, this is deca, means 10. Next to deca, going to higher is hecto, and that is 100. And then kilo, that is 1,000. So it seems like 1 times 10, 10. 10 times 10, 100. And 100 times 10, that is 1,000. So this one means that they are just a powers of 10. On the other side, on the right side, we have the smaller unit. These are the bigger units, and these are the smaller units. Now, 1, and then on the right side, we have the tenths place, and that is tenths, 1/10, and that is equivalent to 1 over 10. And we have the centi, which is hundredths, means 1 over 100. And the milli, which is thousandths, means 1 over 1,000. So now, these prefixes here are just connecting this one, like kilo, kilometer, we have kiloliter, and kilogram. So you can just choose like deca, decameter, decaliter, and decagram. Same with centi, centimeter, centiliter, and centigram. Okay, so that's how you're going to uh, name the units in the metric system. Now, I am going to show to you the table in the next page about the summary, so you can use that in our conversion. So here's the conversion table. I sum up it with this one only, which means that from here, you look at the arrowhead here, from kilo going to hecto, deca, base, deci, centi, and milli, that is, you're going to multiply. From smaller, or I mean from bigger to smaller units, this is kilo is bigger, and going to smaller unit, and that is multiplication. So the movement here means times 10, times 10, times 10. Now, from the smaller unit going to bigger unit, that is division. Okay, so milli going to the base unit, that is 1, 2, 3 movements. Simply, you are just going to multiplying by 10 is simply moving the decimal point one place to the right. Multiplying by 100 is simply moving two places, the decimal point two places to the right. And multiplying by 1,000 is simply moving the decimal points 3 places to the right. So, hindi mo na kailangan pang mag-multiply. Kundi, imumove mo lang yung mga decimal points. Ganun din, pag nag-divide ka by 10, imumove mo lang yung decimal point 1 place to the left. Pag nag-divide ka ng 100, imumove mo lang yung decimal point 2 places to the left. So, ganun lang gagawin natin. So, let's have an example here. So how are we going to convert one unit to another? So let's say, convert to kilometers to meters. So kilometers is here. And going to meters, we're just going to count how many movement. 1, 2, 3. It means we are going to multiply. Going to the right, so that is multiplication. And 3 movements means we are going to just simply move the decimal point 3 places to the right also. So if we have 2 kilometers here, which means the decimal point, nandito ang decimal point niya. So ang gagawin natin, magdadagdag lang tayo ng 3 zeros dito. It means 2 kilometers becomes 2,000 in meters. Okay, let's have another one. Convert 2,568 centimeters to meters. Now, nasaan ngayon ang centimeters? Nandito. So ngayon, papunta tayo sa meters. So dito tayo ngayon, smaller to bigger. So kahit hindi mo na kailangan i-memorize kung smaller siya or bigger. Basta ang kailangan mo lang alamin kung papunta siya sa right ang movement or sa left. So 1, 2, that is only 2. From centi to meters is 1, 2. Which means, from the actual decimal point here, we're just gonna move ang decimal point natin ng 2 places to the left. So 1, 2. So nandito ngayon ang ating decimal point. And that is equal to 2,568 centimeters is equivalent to 25.68 meters. Now let's do the measures of weight or mass. Okay, so now we have convert 5,500 grams to kilograms. Okay, so now, ang grams ay nandito. So magka-count tayo going to kilograms. So 1, 2, 3. So going to the left, ibig sabihin nito, kasi papunta tayo sa left ng 3 beses, ibig sabihin mula dito sa decimal point, ang decimal point ng whole number ay nasa hulihan. So 1, 2, 3. So 5.500, nandito ang decimal point. So 5,500 grams is equivalent to 5.500 kilograms. Let's have another one. Convert grams to milligram. So 600, that is gram again, is here, the base unit, and going to the milligram. So going to smaller. So from here, 1, 2, 3. So going to the right. Going to the right, move the decimal point to the right. Going to the left, move the decimal point to the left. Okay, so now here, it means we need to add zeros here. 3 zeros because the movement is 1, 2, 3. So we need to add 3 zeros here. So 600 grams is equivalent to 600,000 milligrams. Now, what about measures of capacity or volume? So let's have an example. Convert 30 liters to milliliters. Okay, so now, where is liters? So liters is here and going to milli. Milliliters, 1, 2, 3. Which means we just need to add 3 zeros here. So 30 liters is equivalent to 30,000 milliliters. Okay, let's have this one. Convert 56,797.5 centiliters to decaliters. So centiliters is here and deca is there. So we're going to the left. So 1, 2, 3. Now, we need to move the decimal point 3 places also to the left. 1, 2, 3. So the decimal point should be there. 56 point. Okay? So that is now equal to 56.7975 decaliters. Okay, so that's all. That's how you're going to convert one unit to another. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my videos. And like if you like it. Bye! See you in the next one.